Got a KQZ karaoke file you can't play? This is a compressed karaoke MIDI file with embedded lyrics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through playing and converting these karaoke MIDI compressed files for your singing sessions. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality KQZ file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. KQZ files are compressed karaoke files containing MIDI music data with synchronized lyrics for karaoke playback. They package karaoke MIDI files with zip compression, reducing file size for distribution and storage while preserving the complete karaoke experience, including melody accompaniment and lyric timing. KQZ files use zip compression containing KAR format MIDI files with karaoke-specific meta events, embedding lyric text and timing markers. The format follows standard MIDI specifications with karaoke extensions for lyric display synchronization, enabling karaoke software to highlight lyrics in time with the music. Van Basco's Karaoke, developed by Van Basco, serves as the industry application standard for KQZ. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows offers basic playback, but full editing, mixing, or cleanup needs professional audio software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your KQZ file and click Open With. Test with Van Basco's Karaoke if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If your KQZ file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the KQZ problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, extracting with 7-zip. Open KQZ files with 7-zip or any zip-compatible archiver to extract the contained KAR karaoke MIDI file. Once extracted, the KAR file plays in any karaoke-capable MIDI player, providing the full karaoke experience with synchronized lyric display and instrumental accompaniment. Next, playing in karaoke software. Use karaoke software like Van Basco's Karaoke Player or KaraFun, which handle KQZ files directly. These applications display lyrics with timing highlighting, connect to MIDI sound modules for music playback, and provide karaoke-specific features like vocal pitch adjustment and song tempo control. Finally, converting to MP3. Use MIDI conversion software to render KQZ karaoke files to MP3 audio with embedded lyrics in ID3 tags. While the converted MP3 lacks dynamic lyric highlighting, it provides universal compatibility for sharing and playback on devices without MIDI synthesis capabilities like modern smartphones and music players. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.